Welcome back. This is part 2 of the video on the top 10 products to sell this Christmas, this holiday season. Let's get right into it with the top 5. Now, these are the top 5 products that I recommend selling, marketing, dropshipping as somebody who works at a trend-finding tech company. These trending products are backed by data and they're set to blow up in a big way. So with that, let's look at number 5. Number 5 is the long-range e-bike. These are e-bikes with a high-capacity battery that lets you travel for extended distances on a single charge. Let's break down a super simple but effective ad for this product. It's a super simple ASMR video, no voice, no music, just showing somebody assembling the batteries, turning them on, then tapping different parts of the bike to show the build quality, features like headlights, the shocks, and ends with him bouncing the bike up and down to show you how durable it is. So clearly, the objection a lot of people have to e-bikes is how fragile or durable they are. This video helps reinforce that build quality. So why is this one set to blow up so much this year, specifically this holiday season? More and more people are riding bikes as a form of travel, exercise, enjoyment, and they're taking longer rides. Now, obviously, e-bikes give people that extra range, the ability to go further even when their bodies are tired. So a product with extended range, extended battery, is giving people more freedom than ever to travel. Now, if I were making an ad for this product, I would make one where somebody is exploring a new territory, somewhere they couldn't go with a normal e-bike. Now, just under 10,000 people are searching for this one every month, and that amount of people is increasing almost 10,000% every 2 years, meaning right now is the perfect time to sell this one or to market it. So who is your target demographic? I would start by going after the adventure cycling crowd. Those people who do century rides, the people who love camping and hiking, the people who love adventure sports. I'd also consider going after the 50-plus-year-old audience. These bikes extend the range they're able to go with ease, meaning that they can travel a lot further or exercise in a way that takes them longer distances than ever before. Not to even mention the spending power of that audience. Clocking in at number 4 is the nut milk maker. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's a machine that can make milk out of any seed, grain, or nut. But let's look at an ad that's moving a ton of units to see exactly how it sells this one effectively so that you can do the same. It kicks off with this "did you know" angle. It shows people how it works to create milk from anything. And good news, all you need is the right equipment. Then they go on to talk about why the alternative to this machine is so bad. People might be having the objection, oh, I could just buy cheesecloth and do this at home, whatever. They say that the strainer bags are messy and they cause bacteria growth. They also hit on the pain of needing to clean your blender. These are strong pain points that people can relate to. I get tired just thinking about these pain points. Then they go on to mention the actual product, specifically focusing on how fast and easy it is to use. They show that process step by step so you can see in real time how it works. So, who are you going to sell this one to? It's perfect for people who work from home, people who care more about sustainability, which is a massive portion of the Gen Z audience, and vegans and vegetarians, which again is a growing number of people. So if you're selling this one, if you're dropshipping this one, I want you to think about what content this audience is already consuming online, what creators they follow, what activities they do for fun. Then create your ad content in the setting of what those activities are. If you want specific tips on marketing this product or any product, just drop me a comment below. Clocking in at number 3 of the best products to sell this holiday season, AI translation headphones. These use AI to automatically translate languages in real time, and they're easier to sell and dropship than you might think. If you do want to sell this one, let's take a look at a successful ad that shows you exactly how to do it quickly, easily, and for almost no budget. It's super simple. It's a product shot and a voiceover talking about the headphones. He shows you the touchscreen design, the earbuds themselves, talking about how many languages they translate, how well they fit in your ear with this weird ear model he randomly has, and how in demand they are. It's a crazy simplistic video, but it works. Now, one expert tip, which is a weird one, if you have something that stands out in your video ad, something that catches people's attention or stops them, it can help you gain views by boosting comments and engagement, even if those are not about the product itself. In this case, I'm looking at his freakishly long fingernails. I didn't look at the comments for this ad, but I have no doubt that a lot of them were about that. So just consider, is there something weird you can put in the background of your video or a subtle detail that can really help you stop people scrolling? The other reason this video doesn't have to be complex is because it's such an interesting and innovative product. It looks cool enough. People aren't used to seeing earbuds with a screen on them that translate languages using AI. This is a new concept. So you don't need to dress it up as much. Products that are tech savvy, AI forward, that are already scroll stoppers. Test simple unboxing videos, then more elaborate influencer created videos that you run as ads. So who you're selling this one to? Frequent travelers, digital nomads, remote workers. I mean, these would have helped me a lot when I first moved to Portugal, or to our awesome video editor, Georgie, when he first moved to Brazil. Shout out, Georgie. Crazy thing here is that there's only like 880 people monthly who are searching for AI translator headphones. Now that number has grown 4,900% in the past 2 years and is continuing to grow at that rate. They're already pulling in over $50,000 every month only on Amazon, and you could easily tap into that revenue. I found this product in 2 seconds on Alibaba. All right, up at number 2 on our list is the Travel Therapy Lite. It's a portable light therapy device that helps you combat jet lag, seasonal depression, and disrupted sleep cycles by mimicking actual sunlight. Let's break down a high converting ad so you know exactly what you need to do to sell this product this year. Now, the first thing they say is beat seasonal depression naturally. This is a super powerful opening line because it accomplishes 2 things. First, it hits on this massive pain point. Anyone with seasonal depression. It's something that so many millions of people experience every year, myself included. Second, it touches on the fear people have of pharmaceutical antidepressants, and it connects people more to these natural remedies that are still backed by science. Next, and this is important, they say you can join 46,000 happy customers. It establishes social proof. It shows, hey, a lot of people have bought this product, loved it, not regretted it. Next, they show you how easy it is to set up and start using it. Just plug it into your laptop, turn it on, you're good to go. Again, your TikTok, Instagram, whatever algorithm already knows if you have seasonal depression, even if you don't. But if you want to manually target your customers here, you're going to want to aim for places that have longer and more harsh winters. You'll be targeting the same group of people who are using and buying mood-boosting supplements, vitamin D supplements, for example, clicking on ads for therapy services like BetterHelp, or even signing up for new gym memberships. As for who you sell it to, these are primarily targeted at frequent travelers. Whether it's for work or for leisure, people who struggle when they have to adapt their sleep cycle to a new time zone or to limited daylight exposure. You're also going to want to go after anybody who works from home and anyone who favors natural remedies or supplements or non-pharmaceutical solutions to real problems. Now, I recommend that you join the Amazon sellers that are already making $71,000 per month on this product, especially considering how few people are searching for it every month right now. But of course, that number is changing quickly because the number of people searching for it is increasing 7,500% per year right now. They cost around $75, which is not cheap, but for the benefit of improving your mental health, that's nothing. Now, I would make an educated guess that the unit cost for these is around $15 to $30, which means that your markup is around 3x, which is super solid, definitely a healthy margin product. All right, clocking in at our number 1 spot right now for the top products to sell this holiday season, the AI Mini PC. With AI blowing up so much right now, we need new computers to handle this processing power. These have got integrated AI GPUs that give you faster and more reliable performance. Now, I put this at number 1 because these are cheap, small, and powerful tech gadgets that are next generation and set to dominate the market. So let's look at an ad that's already selling lots of units. It starts with a strong hook. You need this product in your life. They unbox it, starting with the price point to show you how much cheaper it is than a normal desktop computer. Then they hit you with the tech specs, knowing it's competitive with the top computers coming out today. He covers the size, the accessories, all the ports, and shows you what it looks like when it's all set up. Now, the objection that most people would have to this product is, oh, do I have to be a coder or a tech-savvy person to use this, to set it up? I don't want all that hassle. Nope. You pop it out of the box, hook it up to a monitor, you're good to go. Under 2,000 people are searching for this every month, but that number grew 7,900% in the past 2 years. And that number is set to keep growing. Amazon sellers are already making over 170 grand per month. And you can see it's blowing up across all these different social channels. That is the indication of a super strong and long-lasting trend. Your first demographic is going to be tech-savvy PC users and people who work at tech companies, but that demographic is going to expand quickly to people like gamers, video editors, you name it. Now that is all for right now. If you have any questions about any of the products I went over, please drop them below. Or if you want to see any products from a specific niche, drop that niche in the comments and I will give you a trending product totally free. Thank you so much for watching. We've got a lot more trend videos that are going to help boost your sales and grow your company in 2025 and 2026. So hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.